Welcome back to Flipping Fish. It's been a while since I made a video. Last one was out there doing trout. I finally got the boat in the water and started to get things dialed in a little bit, and decided to get the GoPro out there and get this whole microphone thing figured out as well. So it's getting better. I did have some success over the weekend. Caught some catfish, some bullhead, white perch, and such. Unfortunately, I didn't have the GoPro on me the whole time. First couple of fish that I got, and even the biggest of the day, was prior to me getting the GoPro set up. So there's a couple of selfie videos that I took with my cell phone to start it off. I hope you enjoy the video. I hope you get out there, you flip some fish and whack some fatties. Yeah, baby, yeah. Here we are, first catfish of the day, about 2-3 pounds. Flipping fish, whacking fatties. Yeah, baby, yeah. Okay, first nice fat cat of the day. I don't know what this weight on this one is. It's got to go over 8, probably close to 9 pounds. My scale died in my backpack. Batteries went dead. So anyways, got him on a nice piece of cut bait. We're flipping fish. We're whacking fatties. Yeah, baby, yeah. Actually record. All right, now we're recording. All right, 2 fish in the boat already. Had to take a couple short videos because I didn't have the chest cam on. I was trying to get that fired up, and well, all hell kind of broke loose. So we're fishing the Connecticut River today. I'm anchored up in the Salmon River, and spotted a few fish on the way up in here. Got one that was probably close to 10 pounds. I don't know. Couldn't really tell because my scale had gone dead, so I had to put a new battery in my scale. And yeah, it's been kind of Keystone Cops here this morning, but starting to get it figured out a little bit. Big hits. It looks like they're liking the chunk bluegill that I got out there. I'm gonna try get a third rod out there, but this time on the third rod I'm just gonna go night crawler because yeah, I'm gonna go with the crawly boy because I'm kind of happy with everything else I'm seeing. So I got 2 cut baits out there, and I'll throw a crawly boy out on the bottom. Me here. Okay. Ooh, that's a fish on. That's a nice fish on. Have to get back to this mess in a minute. Let's hope he doesn't get into that other line. Stay out of there. Can't see him yet. Where the hell is he? Oh, he's way the hell out there. He's running under it. No, he's running over it. Okay, he ran over it. Alright, let's bring you up and around here. Ooh, a little bit of a tug at the end there. Oh, he's in my other line. Damn it! I got a real mess here now. Come on. It's a nice cat too. Oh, I got all 3 of my lines tangled up here. This is gonna be a fucking... He's into all 3. I'll tangle up my GoPro. What the freak? Jesus. All right, well, that's a mess. That is an absolute freaking mess. Creating all kinds of havoc this morning, Mr. Catfish. All right, that one there, just over 6 pounds. You can see right there, it's kind of jumping back and forth, but yeah, just over 6. I'll let him go. And off you go, buddy. All right. Okay, we got a double on. Had a double on. I might have lost one of them. Looks like he's still there. Oh, this one's a better one though. I know I'm pulling him through the current, but he feels good. Yeah, we got a double line still. Whew, it's a better fish back there. Caught me while I was doing the battery change. All right, see if we can't get the first one in here. A little bit of weight to this one. Just a little bit of weight to this one. Oh, there we go. That's a nice cat. Oh yeah, that's a nice one. There's one. Nope. Get the other one in. It's still on there. Yep. Oh, he popped off. Son of a gun. Now, he was out there for a while. I couldn't really put any pressure on him because I was reeling the other one in. Yeah, same kind of thing. One of the situations where the bait kind of turned in, but we'll get this right back out there, get fishing again. Get the other one. Get a picture of this other one. Oh. That's something messing around with the crawly boy. All right, crawly boy is okay right now. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, in the top of the jaw, hook popped right out. It's probably part of what I've been happening when I've been losing these fish is I'm only catching them on their tooth patch. And I'm using a big enough hook. Just yeah. All right, there we go. Nice guy right there. I'm gonna get a cell phone with him. There we are, third or fourth, I don't know, fifth catfish of the day. We caught some bullhead, we caught some yellow perch. This guy's about 4 or 5 pounds. Gonna let him go. Flipping fish, whacking fatties. Yeah, baby, yeah. That would have been nice to double. It's close to a double. Had them both on, just couldn't reel them both. Well, I took the bigger of the two anyways, because that other one was kind of small. Alrighty, we got all kinds of madness and chaos happening here today. I got lines tangled. Oh, there he goes. There he goes. Got him that time. Oh, got him that time. Got him that time. Ooh, that's a better fish. Got him that time. That's a better fish. Still better fish. Oh, there he is. Already on the surface. He's rolling, pirouetting out there. That's a nice cat right there. Uh-huh. on any action. When they're biting, you know. I want to get after that. There we are. Yeah, fourth, fifth catfish. I don't know, seventh. I don't know how many at this point, but this is another 4 or 5 pounder. Just got them on more cut bait. They're hitting pretty good today. They're hitting pretty good. Yeah, baby, yeah. Flipping fish, whacking fins. Ooh. Spinning the other way. Well, that's fish. Ooh. Fish on. I think he's got me in the bottom. Yeah, he's got me wrapped into something. He's got me wrapped into something out there. There he is, I can see him. He's down there. Yeah, I think I'm permanently snagged here. That was a good fish too. Ooh, Jesus. Fish on the other one. No, missed him. Oh, maybe I got him. Can't tell. Yeah, it kind of looks like I might have a small one on there.